13.2 fourth one. A fair coin and an unbiased die are tossed. Then A be the even, head appears on the coin. B be the even, 3 on the die. Check whether A and B are independent or not. First to find out what is the experiment. Experiment is a fair coin and an unbiased die are tossed. So together one coin and a die are tossed. That is the experiment. So we have to write the sample space. First write the sample space S. S equal to coin and die. So sometimes coin shows head and die can be 1, 2, 3, etc. 6. So we can write H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Or coin shows tail and die can be 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 6. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So that is the sample space. Now, what are the events given here? A be the event, head appears on the coin. So A is the event, head appears on the coin. So what is A? A is the event, head appears on the coin. See, head appears on the coin means H1, H2, H3, etc. up to H6. These are the elements in which head appears on the coin. So we can write H1, H2, etc. H6. That is A. Now, B be the event, 3 on the die. So B is the event, B. 3 on the die. So in which case 3 appears on the die. So H3, T3. 3 appears on the die. That is H3 and T3. H3, T3. So 3 appears on the die. So H3 and T3. Now we want to find whether A and B are independent events or not. So we have to find what is the condition for independent events. So A and B are independent if probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. We have to check this condition. So we have to find LHS and RHS. For that we have to find A intersection B. Then only we can find the probability of A intersection B. What is A intersection B? Common elements of A and B. A intersection B equal to common elements of A and B. Here H1, H2, etc. H3, H4, H5, H6. Here H3 and T3. So H3 is the common element of A and B. So common element H3. H3. A intersection B. Then we can find the LHS, probability of A intersection B. Therefore, probability of A intersection B equal to number of A intersection B. How many elements are there in number A intersection B? See, these are the sample points. 1, 2, 3, like that. There are 12 sample points. In that, there is A intersection B, there is only one element. Don't count H and 3, 2 elements. H3, together one element of the sample space. So, probability of A intersection B, number of A intersection B, 1. 1 divided by total number of elements in the sample space. 6 plus 6, 12 are there. 1 by 12. Then, what is probability of A into probability of B? What is probability of A? Probability of A into probability of B. Probability of A into probability of B. Probability of A equal to, what is probability of A? Number of elements in A, 6. 6 by total number of elements in the sample space, that is 12, into probability of B, number of elements in B, 2, divided by total number of elements in the sample space, 12. So that is here 1 by 2, here 1 by 6. So that is equal to 1 by 12. So probability of A intersection B equal to 1 by 12. Probability of A into probability of B equal to 1 by 12. Therefore, this condition satisfies. Probability of A intersection B equal to probability. So after that you have to, so first find the probability. Probability of A intersection B, probability of A, probability of B. Then find the probability of A intersection B, that is 1 by 12. Then write probability of A into probability of B, that is 1 by 12. Then write, therefore probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. Therefore, the given events are independent events. Question is check whether they are independent. So we can write therefore the events A and B are independent events because probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. So only you have to check this condition, whether this condition is true. Find LHS and RHS and check whether the LHS equal to RHS. If they are equal, they are independent events, otherwise they are not. Now see question number 5. A die marked 1, 2, 3 in red, 4, 5, 6 in green is tossed. Let A be the event, the number is even. B be the event, the number is red. Are A and B independent? Same type of question. We have to check whether A and B are independent. First identify what is the experiment. What is the experiment here? It is a special type of die. A die marked 1, 2, 3 in red and 4, 5, 6 in green is tossed. So that is the experiment. That means experiment is a die is tossed. But there is some speciality for the die. 1, 2, 3 are marked in red and 4, 5, 6 are marked in green. That is speciality of the die. Experiment is a die is thrown. That is a die is tossed. That is the experiment. So we can write the sample space. What is sample space? Yes. S equal to, in a die, what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the sample space. Now consider the events. Which events are given here? A be the event. The number is even. So what is A? A be the event. The number is even. So number is even means in this sample space, what are the even numbers? Number is even. So even. Even numbers. 2, 4, 6. Then what is the event B? B be the event. The number is red. So which are the numbers written in red? Red. That is 1, 2, 3. The number is red. So are A and B independent? Now we have to check whether A and B are independent. So here now we have to find. So find A intersection B. A intersection B equal to common. What is common? Only 2. 2. So find the probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B equal to number of A intersection B, that is 2. Only one element. 1. 1 divided by total number of elements in the sample space 6. 1 by 6. Then find the probability of A. Probability of A equal to number of elements in A 3. 3 divided by total number of elements in the sample space 6. Then find the probability of B, that is equal to number of elements in B, that is 3 divided by total number of elements in the sample space 6. 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is also 1 by 2. Now we can find the probability of A intersection B, but check whether probability of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B. So now we can find. So find the probability of, so this is 6 to 1. Let it be there. Then after that we can find, therefore probability of A into probability of B. Probability of A 1 by 2. Probability of B 1 by 2. So probability of A into probability of B 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. So we got probability of A into probability of B 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. And we got probability of A intersection B, that is 1 by 6. So that is probability of A intersection B equal to 1 by 6. So they are not equal. Probability of A intersection B 1 by 6. Probability of A into probability of B 1 by 4. So they are not equal. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is not equal to probability of A into probability of B. Therefore, A and B are not independent. So write the answer. This is not equal to P of A into P of B. Therefore, A and B are not independent. Now see the sixth one. Sixth one. P of E 3 by 5, P of F 3 by 10 and P of E intersection F 1 by 5 are E and F independent. So just to apply the formula P of E into P of F, find that. P of E 3 by 5 into P of F 3 by 10, that is equal to 9 by 50. Now what is P of E intersection F? P of E intersection F equal to 1 by 5. So this is not equal to, both are different. P of E into P of F, 9 by 50. P of E intersection F, 1 by 5. So they are not equal. So write probability of E intersection F is not equal to P of E into P of F. Therefore E and F are not independent. So right, they are not independent. Okay.